Hello and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. For Monday the 7th of July, I'm going to look at dollar yen now. And lo and behold, after all these weeks of fluctuating around higher and lower, we are back to 102. Big figure once again, what a surprise. Keep going on about how the fact I think this is a big pivot level on this chart, and it seems to be an equilibrium point as for dollar yen. It continues to trade around this level, and once again we're back to pretty much bang on. We had this rally over the past few days that has just a bit of lost its way in the last couple of days. Perhaps it's due to the fact that the US is on Independence Day, or was on Independence Day holiday on Friday, which took that trading element out of the market. But as we speak, back at 102 pivot level. So where do we go from here? Well, you've got, as I said, the last few days the trend has been higher, and also for the momentum indicators on the hourly chart, this is to just settle into a nicely positive configuration. This is the MACD, MACD lines nicely above neutral. The RSI continues to form support above that 39.40 level, and stochastics also as well fairly reasonably positive. But I think just generally the fact that we've been pushing higher, we've broken this intraday downtrend on this chart as well. I think that would suggest that you're slightly on the more positive side, but to be honest, it's a difficult one. You don't really make too much headway to the upside before you start hitting the resistance barriers. You've got 102.20, and then above that 102.60, and then 102.80. So you've got quite a lot overhead, still holding this recovery back. On the downside, 101.80 and then 101.60. So it's a fairly thankless task trading dollar yen at the moment, because it is just trading around this 102 pivot level, and it seems to be quite difficult to call on a daily basis. But at the moment, you would say that on the balance of things, the outlook is on the border of being positive. But with no real conviction today. Anyway, that is my assessment of dollar yen. There's no real economic updates today to trouble us. Although I think that there is overnight. There's a Japanese balance of trade data that could have an impact. So maybe bear that in mind. But until tomorrow, I will speak to you later. Thank you.